Duchess, and I'm about to give you fitness tips that you can use over the festive season. The reason why I like these tips is because you don't have to leave your house, you don't really need to go to the gym, so you've got no excuse why you shouldn't be fit and healthy over the festive season. Alright, so my first exercise is going to be more of a warm-up stretch so that you can get your body moving, you can get your heart pumping, and that's going to be the jumping jacks. Gets you strong legs, you know, because you use a lot of your arm movements, you get to tighten up all around here, and we all want those things because we want to wear nice bikinis over the festive season, right? So you're going to get your arms upright and up straight, and everything that we're going to be doing today is going to work mainly on your core because that's the basis of any exercise. Great, now it is about time to get full body definition, and for me, one of the most exciting and most interesting exercises that you can do for that is the plank. Cool, so we're going to start with the low plank. So this one, I know you ladies are gonna enjoy it because so many of you are spending so much money on waist trainers. You really don't need to buy one. All you have to do is just do waist twists, you know? So basically what you do is you twist your arms to one direction and move your body in the other direction. And that's basically what you do for around about 50 times to 100, depending on how fit you are. So the last two exercises are also again what ladies love. Everybody wants to have a beautiful backside, and that's why you need to do your lunges and you need to do your squats. Great for definition of your legs and your thighs. So hey, you can rock those shorts, you can rock those mini skirts, and you can rock those heels.